The current online marketplace is dominated by monopolistic corporate hegemons Amazon, Walmart, Google, and Facebook. We should all know by now that these companies do not run with integrity. So why do you continue to allow them to take your rightful customers? Rather than to allow your business to be overrun, make your presence known. My name is Sammy Mendoza and I have thousands of websites for the right price. This is your chance to establish your online presence and take on these corporate tyrants. Do not sleep on this opportunity. I want to see your business thrive. A handyman without a website isn't very handy at all. If you want to attract new customers that are interested in the work that you do, then a website is required. Highlight your skills, showcase examples, and give your customers confidence in your integrity. Your website will always be your greatest tool. List with us today.